I go put you on lockdown. I put your body on.
What's up, YouTube? Why am I going on with so much energy? Anyway, so if you don't know, my name is Duttyberry and I'm bringing back a special series that is called Dutty Lyrics Now. This is where I usually examine a song, I break it down lyric for lyric and me interpret it in my own unique, weird sort of way. So today, I'm going to be examining Koffee's song that is called Lockdown. So if you don't know, she dropped this song a couple days ago and it had burned up the internet. It already reached over 1 million views on YouTube. So right there and then, you know, so the song just shell. So let me just jump into this video because, yeah, not the video. Let me jump into the lyrics of the song. Let's go. Dutty lyrics. Alright, so you know, so COVID-19 just spoiled the whole of 2020, so everybody have to be staying home in the whole quarantine and just the lack of festivities. We can't really have no excitement. So the song here is basically talking about what will happen when the old little bad vibes are finished and we're finally able to just enjoy our lives as young people. Alright, so the song starts off and it says, where will we go? I guess you just having, you know, like one little Dora the Explorer type of thing. Where are we going? You know, are we there yet? The type of vibe there. It's understandable. She says, where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road? Me don't know, all of us right about now in a cafe ask the same question. Where we going to go? I am actually wondering where is the first big party, because honestly, if I want crusade I keep, I am there. Like anywhere, crowd of people are going there, I just somebody go there. So me I ask the same question to your coffee. Where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road? Mommy, me go NASCAR. Mommy, me go NASCAR. Now, right there, so now, the way the sentence creates, you know, like you have creative allowances when you have artists. And so, the line here, it actually sounds like when I want like a picnic, I learn how to talk. And mommy, my pamper car. Mommy, my pamper show. You know, like them try to say one bump the right here so what them not understand. So say, mommy, me go NASCAR on the TV. I saw it really sound like, but you have to have brains to understand what this I say. So mommy, me go NASCAR. Basically, what she say a driving time now. You get me? I did like a level there. I did like a fast driving thing they should have on. She say, pull up in a fast car, yeah. Okay, so everybody I know saying I drive like a slow car, okay. And a false start. Okay, because the Olympics now keep this year, so I understand, so no false start can go on. When you do road official something. Make you and the boss par, yeah. No, make you and the boss boss par. When me hear this, me have to remember the song, yeah. Bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man up your name, So make you and the boss par, yeah. Alright, Koffee, you are the boss, you're the official boss, like, okay. So anybody else are your employees. Nicki Minaj used to say, these bitches are my sons. So I guess that them type of hypeness there, you really are carrying out the song right there, so. And nothing is not wrong with that. I know you're feeling me. You know I'm feeling you. No, this is confidence. This is confidence. You know when you go like, the only person who used to say do that is Brooke, who used to in a Bold and the Beautiful. For some of the extra special young people them, when they go know Brooke, you know, but Brooke was a boy, that woman was a boy, she was a whole Delilah. But Brooke, when she had two different men them, should I tell her say, I know you love me. I know you care for me. I know you don't want to leave me. She had tell the man them what she feeling and what she putting in them brain. I hypnosis, I'm think of the same thing Koffee had right here, so. I know you are feeling me. You know I'm feeling you. So right there and then you start to question yourself and say, oh yeah boy, you know some really I feel for some coffee today. Yeah. Anyway. So she gone to the court in the verse now. Hey fancy. I don't know if IT and fancy cat, but I don't know like you could have hail up IT too, because most of the time people might give fancy cat all of the little healings. But IT did you know. Most of the time people don't know IT different from fancy cat. But like big up yourself you hail fancy. You know, hey fancy. How your heart stay it now no vacancy right there sa lyrics, you know. Lyrics 2020 official lyrics. How your heart stay it now no vacancy, boy oh boy. Okay? Last time see up on FaceTime, chatting up the place. Alright, on FaceTime, so iPhone the thing there. Chatting up the place about, you know, one relationship. You say all them piece of drunk or behavior, yeah. I chat on FaceTime and then now forgot talk about say no relationship now go on here. So okay. Me I go put you on lockdown. Okay, Koffee? Alright, me I go put it on lockdown, so it's not Andrew Wellness, it's not no JLP administration. Koffee have fear owner authority. And Koffee I say me I go put it on lockdown, okay? Put your body on lockdown. Wow, Koffee, yeah boy, yeah steam today. Yeah steam today, Koffee. You got me on lock now, no, this is love. This is love on lock, okay? You got my passion on lock. No, when you got passion, you know. Passion and a regular type of love, you know. When you got passion settings, you know, man, this pass fruit punch, fruit juice settings, you know, man, this pass tang, this pass, when you look at something named Kisco, this a deep something. You have my passion unlocked. You know what that means, eh? It's our creative side, our creative juice is flowing. Wow, Koffee. Okay? If you love me, you should let me, you see? That is manipulation, right? It's a Koffee I'm going with, you know. If you shall put the ball in your court, you know. If you love me, you should let me. If you love me right now, you gotta give me the thing and them type of little tactics there, you know. If you love me, you should let me. And then she repeat, you should let me. You should let me know. And if you don't know, better you let me. Better let me go. Cause she not a time for waste. Make them know your Koffee. Pulling up. I guess, you know, she still a drive. Nobody deal with the bag of long talking. Once again, not a time for waste. I understand Koffee, okay? After you text how long for brew and all of them look something, you don't have time to waste. Me know we are chilling in an apartment. Okay, Koffee. You have a little 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom studio. You know, a nice little young ambitious girl. But like that for yourself, Koffee. You know, you have your little things and you have your little space enough. You run go around mommy and a little body. You have your little space enough. You got an hotel and an Airbnb and a little place on the pan Auburn Road. You know? Hope you don't mind me asking, where will we go? Of course, because you need to know where exactly you're going. You can't start running like a car and burn up the gas and you don't have no idea which direction you go. So I understand you're asking all of the pertinent questions, Koffee. Very commendable. Round of applause for Koffee. When the quarantine thing done and everybody go road, okay, so the chorus come in again, chorus come in.
So you want travel, we go Hope Valley.
So what now if we do? Yeah. So you want travel, we go Hope Valley. Okay, where's Hope Valley there again? Where is Hope Valley? Hold on, we need to find out where Hope Valley there. Hey Siri. No, I can't bother because like Siri does stress me out right now. Wait, hold on, I'm call my mommy and see if mommy know. Okay, any minute now. Any day now. And you'll be on your way. So, alright. I call Yardman Ethan. Yo,
no.
What?
Can't talk now.
Are you recording?
I am on a Zoom call.
Where is Hope Valley?
What?
Where is Hope Valley? Koffee sang about Hope Valley. I thought that since you're a Yardman, you would know where Hope Valley is. Wow. So that people? Wow. I'm call Janelle now and see if she know where Hope Valley is. Come on, man. Come on.
Berries up berries.
Yo, what got my friend?
Yo, me ain't a friend, man.
What got my friend? Anyway.
I can't hear you.
Anyway, you don't have to. Okay, me understand. I know you miss your friend. It's okay. But anyway, I'm filming.
No.
Anyway, you miss your friend. Anyway, it's okay. Anyway, I'm filming. Question: where is Hope Valley?
No, I don't remember. That's one for me.
Oh no, I'm gonna try China K. Hello?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm filming by the way. Question: where is Hope Valley?
Me, I have no idea.
Jesus Christ, Koffee did a song called, you know, and she mentioned saying, come make her go Hope Valley. And me I try to find out where's Hope Valley and nobody know where Hope Valley is.
Dad, where's Hope Valley? No need.
Jesus Christ, so Koffee just make up one place in our song, so?
So you want travel, we go Hope Valley.
Alright, so I'm gonna Google and all me say is something about Hope Valley Experimental School. And so me kinda confused right now. Hope Valley, I don't know. So Koffee must say about a mysterious magical place where nobody knows. So she says, say you're hoping your love and I just no tally. Okay, so basically it's that, you know, it's not like a little tick off or one little check box to say, okay, I have your love and I can move on. Yeah, it's a win for me. Woo! Alright, so a serious piece of relationship is being sought after. Alright? So it goes on to say, make my heart full. That's why I love you totally. No man, you see them lyrics here? Shell. Make my heart full. You see your heart shape? We do one bag of blood and vessels and aorta and all of little something there, ventricles and little something there. And the whole light just full up like it about for combust and just like burst and go pew. And them type of boom boom. Love Koffee depan. Alright? Total love. No one like a part-time, no one like a 3 days out of the week, no one like a 1 hour fully on time everyday love. Okay? do my own thing, I'm not trouble nobody, alright? So that is it, Koffee, I say. You know, she stay in her lane, she just focus on her little music, and she not in a little drama and a little cas. Totally makes sense, alright? And we're watching out on the patio. You see them some here, humble brag. We're watching out cause uptown type of lifestyle. You know, you have no little bit of money, Koffee. Your money tall up them little ways to say you make it know, say the little type of vantage point where you have. Okay? When you in your relationship, alright? We're watching out with the one upon the patio there too. And the day, she all stammer the way she in love, you know. She never say, and the neighbor, you know, she say, and the, you know, like I don't know, I used to say, down here. You know, when you stammer, you know, say a serious Titanic love, you right here, so, you know. And we are talking about them rose and expert type of love, right? And the neighbor, them, I watch for now. Swing and me no miss like patio. Jesus, Pim! Koffee! You are say when you are roping, you know, when you are go after your love, when you are go after your soulmate, and then a little fool, little pew, and the shot them connect where it needs for connect. Anytime you take aim, you know, say connect, like patio, like never say like Pacquiao. What you feeling for? Hot coffee, yo? No. When you're in love, them where they all a draft a long time Shakespeare words we're not even are used in English language in 2020. At them type of serious love the Koffee depend. That's what you talk about. What you feeling for? When last you hear somebody use the word feeling? Hey? When last you hear somebody use the word feeling? May I tell you, people right now who have TikTok, them don't know the word there. May I tell you a long time back in the day when Macbeth, did I look me lady Macbeth settings them that. What you feeling for? Hot coffee out? No. Wow. Oh jeez, I think of me alone used to use my last name in a lyrics and them look something about coffee I use for your own to hot coffee, yo. Wow. You used to say, yo. Yeah, I'm a berry, yo. You want this dirty berry? You want to disinfect? Oh no, that don't really work. I'm so stupid. She said, watch you know. All you want to talk about a matrimony. Oh my God. I never know say so the relationship gets serious. I think I just want to look in things I want. A whole matrimony reaching at this. Anything you want, Koffee got the money. Wow. Koffee. No, I'm going to repeat this. Anything you want, Koffee got the money. No, honestly right about Koffee. Koffee. Me need you in my life right now when I'm mountain time because honestly, when my landlord come to me and I say, yo, where the thing at the end of month time, I'm gonna say like, yo, anything you want, Koffee have the money. When I go in supermarket and I try to buy my little things them, anything you want, cashier, Koffee have the money, just go toward where you come to me for. JPS, don't come to me for no bill, go to Koffee, she have the money, anything you want from me, go to Koffee. Koffee have the money, me like the thought there, Jesus crime. Anything you want, you can imagine them life there? Hey, anything you want. Oh, that's one Tanto Black song.
Anything you want, Koffee got the money.
Me give you my heart, bet you take it from me. Oh gosh, oh no, them songs sound cute. You know like when Justin Bieber they sing Baby, no man, them little long time love song, little teeny boppy type of love. And then she go, you know like where will we go? Mommy we go NASCAR. Yeah, wow. I know you're feeling me. And the song goes on. I'm not gonna lie, boy. That is it for this song that is called Lockdown by Koffee. My honestly feel so the song Shell. The song sounds so good. You can just listen to it, just drive it, just a bit chillax, enjoy yourself. Like right about now, it is stuck on my playlist. Like every day I just play by the song since it was. Because it just give you, it's a nice uplifting vibe. It just make you put on your cares them and you just can just live and just, you know, just enjoy the moment. It's a really a good, feel-good song. In the same way how Pharrell had Happy and Bruno Mars, you know, even they have Uptown Funk. This is one of them songs there that just make you feel good. And I think Koffee right now is really establishing herself as a true hit maker. She have find the song them hit after hit and she just have her own unique brand of style. I'm actually like Koffee now. She has sing about a little different subject matter now. So she has sing about, you know, like a young lovey-dovey type of little fun type of vibe. And I like to see that. I love that for Koffee. I like it fair, honestly. I like it fair right now. But me just right about now is just like I saw people have all kind of things to say online, but the only thing you need to say is that the song bad and that the song shell. That is all. Alright, so that is it for this Dutty lyrics of Koffee's song Lockdown. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comment section. Leave a comment and let me know what was your favorite line from this song, because right about now the song just shell. Also for share the video and to subscribe. Okay, that is it for this Dutty lyrics, and let me know in the comments which song you want me to break down next. Yeah, which song?